beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Headquarters, the Bakassi Peninsula, because we have been receiving reports of harassment by and threats by the Nigerian security operatives stationed at Ikan area. Yesterday, something happened, and we are still trying to resolve it. About 2-3 days ago, yesterday I came up here to disclose that the fake general was the fake general called me on phone, and not just me, he called some other Biafran contact he saw online, and it wasn't up to 4 hours we were able to identify the person. We were able to identify the person. It's someone we know, working with the military, and they sent him to get some information to see if they can get information from me, but unfortunately that was a failed mission. Now I want to use this opportunity because I believe that they are watching. If they are not watching, they will be giving us trouble every day. I'm using this opportunity to call out the chief security of Bakassi. The chief security of Bakassi, Benjamin Simply. I have received series of complaints. I don't know why you are calling some of our boys, you are calling our members, and asking them questions. I don't know, because up till now I have not really understand where you are. I don't know whether you are for us or against us, but I got a report. That you are been calling our members and making some unpleasant statements. Simply he will make himself a fool if he allows himself to be used by the military to scuttle our efforts or to fight us within the region, because he was a former militant leader. And he accepted amnesty in 2018. He accepted amnesty offered by the governor of Cross River State. In that process, after the amnesty, he was given an appointment by the governor as a special assistant. Now he is the chief security of Bakassi. So that if you turn back to fight against what you were struggling for, you claim you are fighting for the people of Bakassi. And you know that the people of Bakassi have not are not yet free. They've not yet gotten their freedom. And what you demanded, relocating them from the refugees camp, have not been granted. It has not been granted. The demand for developing the Day Spring Island have not been granted, and you accepted amnesty. The same you, after your militant days, is coming to harass our people, call our people. You are now working with the military. So I will advise Benjamin simply. I know he is watching, or he will later watch, or those that are close to him will show him this video. He should desist. If he wants to communicate, let him communicate me directly. Let him communicate me. Most of the boys there have my contact. He has not called me for one day since he became to. Let him communicate me. I will listen to him. We will talk together. I'm not sending different touts. Sending touts to call me on phone. This is not the first and not the second where touts will be calling me on phone. You should know that I'm not an easy person. I'm not an easy person. I am too big a fish to be caught by a hook. So, anybody, if you are watching from the peninsula, from Bakassi, show him this video. Show him this video. Let him hear me clearly. We wouldn't want a situation where our members will be threatened. If you want to show your power, show yourself, go and meet the militants. Go and meet the militants, because the people you are calling on phone threatening them are not militants. They are just members of BNL. So you misroute by threatening them. Go and meet the militant, Port militant. Simply knows most of the militants in Bakassi. He cannot say he doesn't know them. He knows some of the militants. He knows my G1. He knows me. So meet them, call them, ask them what you want. Not my members. Not my members. So let him take this advice or not. But whatever it is, he's not going to stop us from what we are doing. If this is a threat to stop us, because we will say that we are going to hold a press briefing to make some demands, and because we are threatening to carry out some operations in by the end of this month, if it is a threat, for us not to go ahead, then they are making a very big mistake. They are making a very big mistake. Well, no amount of threat will stop us. No amount of threat will scare us away. It will not. It will not. If not guilty conscience, they know that they are. Most of them, all the securities, they are all criminals. They are all criminals. And they are waiting for opportunity to hold me hostage, but they cannot. I'm fighting a just cause, and I'm not afraid to be involved in the freedom struggle of our people. It's only a fool. You were once a freedom fighter, and they bribed you with amnesty. You came back and start fighting those who are still in the freedom struggle. That shows you were never passionate about the struggle you claim you were before. So I will advise him to stay clear. If there's anything he wants to know, let him call me on phone. He has my number. Some of our boys there have my number that he knows. So he knows how to reach me. Stop calling my boys, stop calling my members. Call me directly and we will talk man to man. So that is it. For the military that are sending their criminals to begin to call us as well. Of course, we know how to handle them. We know how to handle them. They have failed woefully. They have failed woefully. So this is all I have to say. Those who are here, let them hear. Because we will not take it. If they apply for us, we will also apply for us. That is how it is. It's going to be 50-50. It's going to be 50-50. If you apply for us on our members, we will also apply for us. There will not be peace in Bakassi. I'm saying it and I'm saying it. Simply may not know the level of boys I have in Bakassi. So if you want to DM me, let them apply for us on our members and see what happens. Thank you very much.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.